Check out this flower I found in the bushes. It's a pitcher plant.
Oh my god.
Byron from Elite Adventures here. We're doing Onomea Bay Trail today. It's a great activity for the whole family. If you have kids, it's really easy hike down into the bay, and it's great if you're staying in Hilo or in Hamakua Coast, and it's a really easy little stop off on the way. You have to take Old Mamalahoa Highway to get there. It's a really nice little scenic drive. So check out the bay. Check out this flower I found in the bushes. It's a pitcher plant. Really noisy out here, man. There's a lot of stuff going on.